President Yoon Sung-yeol arrives at the Constitutional Court, where he defended his December 3rd martial law declaration, becoming Korea's first president to personally appear at their impeachment trial. And we've seen two presidents impeached before Yoon. Having missed the two previous hearings of this trial, Yoon arrived via a convoy escorted by the Presidential Security Service, entering the court via an underground parking lot, away from the crowd of hundreds of his supporters who gathered to protest with signs reading "Impeachment Invalid." There were thousands more nearby. There was a strong police presence, as this demonstration followed a weekend during which dozens of Yoon supporters were arrested for violently protesting at Seoul Western District Court, where investigators were given a warrant to formally arrest the president. On this occasion, at least one protester was apprehended after assaulting a police officer. As he appeared at the Constitutional Court Tuesday afternoon, it was Yoon's first public appearance since the martial law move that led to his impeachment. He was dressed in a suit and red tie, looking tidy despite being held for nearly a week at the Seoul Detention Center. "It's my first time attending today, so I will speak briefly," Yoon said after asking to address the court. He went on to claim that one of the main factors behind his martial law declaration was election fraud suspicions, even if the National Election Commission has refuted those. At the time, he also justified martial law as a measure to defend the country from anti-state forces. Now, in court, Yoon has spoken of his firm belief in liberal democracy. Yoon plans to attend upcoming Constitutional Court hearings as often as possible, according to his lawyers. Having received the case on December 14th, the court must decide whether to uphold or reject Yoon's impeachment within 180 days. But he is being less cooperative with investigators, as he's made clear that the Corruption Investigation Office for High-Ranking Officials, or CIO, does not have jurisdiction over his case. After an initial interrogation when being removed from his residence last Wednesday, he adamantly refused to answer questions posed by the CIO regarding insurrection and power abuse charges. Reflecting this, CIO investigators who went to the Seoul Detention Center Monday had to leave empty-handed after failing in an unprecedented attempt to force a sitting president to undergo questioning. Police were also unable to search the president's residence Monday, as the Presidential Security Service, which can reject such a request, reportedly refused to hand over CCTV footage and relevant documents which might offer a fuller picture of how the martial law drama unfolded on December 3rd.